Guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So yesterday Colton helped me and we dropped the mock-up motor. And yes, this is a mock-up motor. I've had 50 people ask me, hey, are you running that motor? Because you need to cover it up. No, I don't. It's a junk motor. It's just a mock-up motor. So that way you guys understand what I'm saying. The new motor's not here yet. The new transmission is here. But the headers that we just ordered, they fit perfect. Bolt right in. And they're actually made for a B-body, G-body car and all that good stuff. So they actually bolt right in here. It's perfect. Looks amazing too. All right, well, I've been waiting for the taillights to come in so I could put them on the back of the car and check them out, see if I like them or whatever. And I sat them up there and they look really cool. I mean, I think they do. I kind of drew out the shape of the taillights right here. And I didn't want to use like an aftermarket taillight or whatever, so we're gonna actually mod them, you know, to make them our style. But for now, I'm gonna get them set up so I can get them bolted on the car. So I'm laying out the marks right now. And just using a veneer caliper and a, you know, measuring over, and then I'll throw a scribe on there and whatever. Same thing here, get some holes drilled, get them bolted on. The kit that I got from Speedway, they actually didn't even come with hardware, which really surprised me. It comes with a rubber gasket, but I have to get some, right here it says 10 by 32 machine screws. And I hate flathead screws, so I'm not using those. But this is the correct pitch, thread pitch. Focus. And these are a little bit too long, so I need them about that long. Maybe 3/4 of an inch, whatever it is. So I'll go run down to the hardware store and grab some of those. And like I said, I got these from Speedway. Really trick looking taillights, so. Art Deco style, you know, that's what I like, is I wanted them to be something that would match the style of car. Something kind of luxurious looking or whatever you want to call it. But I'll run down to the hardware store, grab some of these. But in the meantime, I'd like to get the holes drilled and get them bolted on. Waiting for my camera to fall off because I broke my tripod again for about the 500th time. So all I'm doing right now is trying to get everything set up to drill the holes. But before I go and drill them, I want to check the template and make sure it's the same. So they're at 4 1/4. Well, bear with me on this one. I just broke my tripod all the way. Now I'm pissed. Dropped my damn camera. Let me flip the camera around real quick. So these are made by Speedway. And the part number on these taillights are 911-37035. They do not come with any hardware. You get a rubber gasket, light. Sorry about that. And then, like I said, it's 4.25, so 4 1/4 right here, you know, from center to center. And that's what I'm setting up for right now. And I did have to go get some screws at the hardware store, and I did have to cut them down. I don't like this style. I'm not going to use this style, but these are temporary, just so I can get them on the car to see what they look like. We'll go from there. Well, it looks like we're down to a tripod from the dollar store. So Hopefully it'll last more than 5 minutes. Everything's made out of plastic nowadays. It's pretty sad. Make sure I'm in frame so you guys can see what the heck I'm doing. Oh, me and this freaking tripod today, I swear. So you can see in the back of the lights, you got the wire sticking out. And they give you this rubber gasket, which is all fine and dandy, but I think it looks stupid. And I don't want to run it on the car. They're going to be tightened up so that they're not going to rattle. But what I'm going to do is on these wires, I'm going to drill another hole so that the wires go through, and then I'll put a little grommet behind it where the wires will run through the grommet, and then you'll have the two holes for the taillight, just so it looks a lot cleaner. And then that way, you know, what you're looking at is when the taillight's on the car, you're looking at that. You're not looking at a big fat gasket underneath that taillight. So that's what we're going for. Yeah, I like how they turned out. They look pretty cool. Kind of fits the flow of the car. It's got the same point as the fenders, and they're sleek looking. Something different, you know, instead of the same old round taillights. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Appreciate your support on the channel. Leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to our channel. I appreciate it so much. Have a good day later.